Alright, so I'm still cleaning up the garage. I've got a welder. I need a little cart for it. I started building a little frame for it probably a year ago. So this is something I made for it to sit on. I just need it off the ground. So I'm just going to cut some angle and then hopefully attach some caster wheels to it, just to kind of make it a little more mobile. So we got some cutting, some welding, a little bit of everything. So this will be fun. Let's see what we come up with. This is the welder. That is the current cart I got. This is not gonna work. So let's get to it. Okay, last part of this. So here is the cart. I'm gonna build a piece of wood to sit down here in the bottom so I can put gloves or maybe the hammer or whatever. I've got this piece of wood I've had sitting around for a while. I've just tested my router on this edge here. Just testing it out, but it's a good piece of plywood. So I'm gonna cut it, put it down there, but first I think I've got a paint and primer. It's a metallic, but left over. So I'm gonna use that to paint this. We'll paint it now, let it set up a little bit, and then get this piece of wood cut and put it in. So, put this over here somewhere. I wasn't gonna paint this, but it's happening. It's just the way it's gonna be. I did not think this through. Spur of the moment. That's the way we're gonna do it. Okay, we got this painted. Now that I'm letting the fumes get to me, I am going to take a measurement and cut this piece of wood. not quite dry. But thinking I need to build a little hook, come up the side, not that side, that's the serve side, come up the side, roll the wire up on it rather than just up here. This is it. Simple as that. Bam.